a motherfucker like me.
You know what time it is.
Yeah, that's the motherfucking sound as we bucking motherfuckers down. Yeah, nigga, run, but you can't outrace this motherfucking bullet. Breathe, bullet. They can't fake you, boy. Money, you women, the funny beginnings, tragic endings. I can make a million and still not get enough for spending. And since my life is based on sinning, I'm held down. Rather be buried than be worried, living held down. My game plan to be trained in military mind of a thug lord sitting in the cemetery cry. I've been lost since my adolescent, calling the Jesus, rolling as a youngster, wondering if you see them. Young black males, crack sales, got me 3 strikes, living in jail. This is hell, enemies die. Wonder when we all pass. Is anybody listening? Got my hands on my semi-shotty. Everybody stitching, please God, can you understand me? That's my family, God is all. Before we fall into insanity, I'm making a point to make my beat bumping more like drop some shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaw tight. Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaw tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaw tight. Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaw tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaw tight.
I should have been out. I'm deadly when I pull the pin out. Keep frontin', I'ma try your chin out. I knocked a lot of men out. I left them on the floor, spitting phlegm out. It's either that or I'ma squeeze the gat and pop 10 out. You see Cody ice spinning, jigged out, white linen. And if a bitch don't like me, she must like women. Every time I come around, you see your wife grinning. Don't be mad cause your career's in the 9th inning. It's over now, nigga, leave the game. I'm from the danger zone where MCs are slain, where thugs that never hesitate to squeeze the flame, where niggas be taking drugs just to ease the pain. Hustlers flip cokie, 48 hours like Nick Nolte. When I was OT, yo bitch wrote me. First day home, I dived in it, left her thighs in it. Now that bitch be paging me every 5 minutes. MCs are squashing disgrace, it's all about the Benjis. So why your bills got washed his face? A lot of cats be frontin', mad singles with a 50 on top. L trying to have the city on lock. Please the Biggie and Pop, cause they really were hot. Rap game heavy hitters, it's a shame they no longer with us. Niggas wanna be L, ladies wanna see L. If I go to jail, you wear shirts saying free L.
Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight.
This is a real life check in progress. Nigga, give up your shit or take 2 to the test with the grip this. Cause I ain't fucking around, G. So take a look at a real life nigga that's crazy and get ready to die, low. Any last words before your ass gets smoked? It ain't a joke because my buckets is broke, my friend. That's why I gotta do you in. Give up your ends and your gold and your brand new nights and anything else I might like. And then I'm up in the win again. So get the next sucker slip and take it to the chin. I'm on a roll. 2 niggas in one night, didn't even have to fight. Just pulled up my 9 to end another fight. That's real life, so forget the silly shit you heard. Now nigga, tell me, do you have any last words?
Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight.
Yo, I shatter dreams like Jordan, assault and batter your team. Your squadron will be barred from rap like Adam and Eve from the garden. I'm carving my initials on your forehead, so every night before bed you see the BP shut off the board head. Reverse that, I curse at the first whack, nigga with the worst rap, cause he ain't worth jack. Hit him with 1,000 pounds of pressure per slap, make his whole body jerk back. Watch the earth crack, hand him his purse back. I'm the first Latin rapper to baffle your skull. Master the flow, niggas be swearing I'm blacking and cold like Nat King. I be rapping and tongues packing the ones magnums, cannons and Gatling guns. It's Big Pun, the one and only son of Tony Montana. You ain't promised mañana in the rotten Montana. Come on, pana, we need more rhymes. Feeling marijuana, snake bite, anaconda. A man of honor would wanna try to knock my persona. Sometimes rhyming, I blow my own mind like Nirvana. Comma, and go the whole 9 like Madonna. Go try to find another rhymer with my kind of grammar.
Go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got some niggas in my clip that make they motherfucking jaws tight. Now, go, niggas wanna get on, that's right. I got